Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well. This is the third attempt because I can't edit at the minute and there's been people knocking on the door, the dogs have been going crazy, next door's been going crazy. So anyway, before I start, I just want to say a massive thank you to Katy. I got these sent in the post by her and I really cannot wait to use them. Thank you. I'm really chuffed with those. I'll let you know how I get on. I'm doing a brown smoky look. I've already put my foundation on. I can't believe it's NC30, that's my colour, and it's the one I was going to put a huge order into MAC to get some foundations and concealers, and I found this, so I'm over the moon. I found another one with an NC35, which will do, I'll be happy. I've got zits, I'm really not happy. In fact, I could cry, I could literally cry. My skin is just atrocious, my scalp's atrocious. I just need putting down, to be quite frank, but never mind. We'll crack on and we'll do what we can with it today. So I've got my foundation on, got my brushes all on the go, and we're going to go in with some, hang on, I've got my magic doctor bag here. This is what I bring down with all my bits and bobs in for, like, if I'm going to do a look. I've been sorting through all my makeup, so I'm going to do some looky dip videos, but I need some advice. Which editing software is so easy to use, because I'm so not good at this stuff. I need editing software that I can just like do dead easy. If you could give us some advice on what to use, that would be ideal, because I don't have the stuff we used to have, and it wasn't me that edited the videos, so I've got a bit of a problem there, and it will be a long one if it's a lucky dip, because I've got to run up and down stairs and stuff. So if you could give us some advice on that, that would be great. I'm using some Urban Decay primer potion. Can you remember? And I found loads of stuff. Bear in mind that all my makeup, well not all of it, but a lot of it goes back from 2007 and beyond. So I had to chuck a whole tub of mascaras in the bin. There was like, over 100. I had to chuck them because I don't want anything that off right next to my eyes. So it doesn't matter how sentimental, they had to go. But I kept one, and I'm going to tell you about it in the next video, because I think it's kind of, I wanted to keep it. There's a reason, I'll tell you all about it anyway. But I've got my primer potion on, and I'm going to go in with some, I'm going to go in with some Virgin, am I? No, we're going to go in with some Dark Horse first, just get it on. We're going to go dark. So let's go dark. So, I'm over the moon with what I've found. I can't believe the stuff I've got. Really chuffed. Let's zoom you in just a bit though, because it's quite frightening today, and I'm not impressed. Oh, right. Never mind. So on with the Dark Horse. Is it Dark Horse? Yes, it is. It's Dark Horse. So I'm over the moon with what I've found. In fact, I would have been doing videos a lot earlier than this today. This is a late one because I've been upstairs just like a kid in a candy store. You find something and then you're there, and before you know it, like 4 hours have passed and you think, God, where's my day off gone? But I'm all excited, really happy. Lucky dip video is definitely coming up. And not only that, I'm going to do a video on each type of thing, because there's stuff in there I don't even know if it exists anymore. Like really old-fashioned and relics, but I can't wait to show you. And I looked all over for stuff, and we'll see what we've got, because I haven't been through it all properly. I can just see there's loads. So we'll go through that together, okay? We'll do it bit by bit. That'll be fun. I'm not going right to the lash line just yet, because I'm going to put something on there and I don't want to take this off. So there we go. I might do some blending. I might not. I might just leave it as it is. I might. But I don't know. We'll see. Should we do a bit? Yeah. We'll go. Oh, it's exciting. I went swimming last night. I didn't want to go. It was freezing. It's dark. I was hungry. And I just did not want to go. But I went. Again, Martin says I have to go. No, he didn't force us. But it's true. I paid for it and I'd be daft. And honestly, I got there and I loved it. And I learned something new and it just clicked with us. to nip your butt cheeks together and wiggle your hips instead of trying to flap your legs, because every time I try and flap my legs the front bit goes under. So it might sound daft, but sometimes when someone says something it just clicks in here, doesn't it? Yeah, I wish I'd known that before, but it worked and I had a little splish splash. So it's about my 5th lesson. I've missed a few because I was away on holiday and on one of them I wasn't well, but never mind. Right, so we've got our dark on. I'm going to blend that out, so don't be frightened here. This is the Naked palette. I love it. The other one's quite nice as well, but I think I like this one better. Now we're going to get rid of the heavy edge with some, what have I got? I'm going to use Virgin. It's that one there. This is quite light. So just get in there like that. And I found so many foundations. Just after I was saying to you all, can you give us some recommendations? And I read through the comments, there's loads on there I'm going to try out, so thank you very much. I've also got some stuff that I'm probably going to give away, so if you're interested, stay tuned. There's nail stuff and there's brush sets. Not my brush sets, but there's brush sets, that's all I'm saying. No, I'll think of something to do to give them away. We'll think of something. There we go. Blend that out a bit because you don't want it too much, do you? There. Dear. I work in a tile shop and I'm starting to get muscles and it's quite frightening. I don't want them. I just like to be a little bit petite around here, but I'm starting to get built up. And it's horrible. I don't like it at all, but I have to do it. So the girl I work with, she was showing us her arms and she said that they grow each month. So now I'm petrified of how big I'm going to get. So I'm going to look like a real big Russian shot putter. And I just don't know what to do. But you can't shy on work. It's got to be done. So I'm going to get my brows done while I'm up here. So I think I did have, what have I got? Oh, I got this Eye Bright. Can you remember Eye Bright by Benefit? So I'm going to put a little bit of that on the brow. I'm so sad about my brow. Look, it's completely gone. It's not going to go back on this outer bit. This one's fine. That one is terrible. And I think it's because of that's the side I sleep on the most, but I can't be sure. It's gone. It's just not coming back. So I don't know what to do about that, but never mind. Just a little bit of highlight just under there. I don't want too much. See, I don't even know where I'm highlighting under because there's no eyebrow there. So I'm going to have to fake it and draw one in. Well, draw the end of one anyway. I'm just using this is Bourjois Brow. Really nice. I used it last time. There we go. It's better than nothing, isn't it? I've opened the door because it's really quiet in here. So I wanted to hear something like the birds or traffic, but then it's all stopped again. And there was a tannoy earlier telling everyone that in an hour there was going to be no water. So I ran down, filled the kettle, filled some water out in a cup, and I honestly I don't think I've ever drank that much water since I thought it was going to run out. So I've been peeing all afternoon. I probably need to go again now actually, but I can't, so I'm doing a video. So we'll carry on. We're going to do a bit of contour. And they've got some tricks here. So I'm using Bourjois. It's a chocolate palette thing. Looks alright. It goes on a bit okay. It's a bit orangey, but it'll do for now because I haven't found me contours not properly. I've got powders up there and some foundation, but I haven't found anything else yet. So we'll have a look for that in a bit. That knew mine would start off because of the dog. Ooh, see how orange? There we go. I'm really having fun putting makeup on lately. It's weird because I'm not used to it, but I'm getting to the point where it's exciting. It's like I enjoy it as much as I do putting all my drawings together, which I'm gonna take down to somewhere and see if they can put them on, like get prints done so I can put them on the walls. because I can't really put them on the wall as it is because they're powdery. But anyway, we're going to go in with some style. Where's my brush? There it is. There, look at that. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I found it when I was busy. So I'm going loads more, and I can't wait to put looks together with them all. Sometimes I don't even need any blush because lately my cheeks go bright red, and they do that quite often through the day, especially if I have sugar. It's horrible. I can feel them just on fire. It's usually around tea time as well when I'm hungry, so it's a bit embarrassing when I'm at work and someone comes in and my cheeks are on fire. But never mind. Right, the lip stuff I'm using is Barry M. I haven't used Barry M for ages. So this one's number 5. I don't want to take me foundation off my spotty chin. I'm going to fill lips in. I wasn't going to, but I haven't got any lipstick. I forgot to bring it, you know, so I'm going to just fill this in. I've got lip gloss though. Yeah, I haven't even put my mascara on. Oh, I haven't, no, you know what, I'm all over the place. This is what I wanted to use. Lancome Strass. It's number 11. We'll use some eyeliner. Shouldn't pull down on there, but I'll pull anyway. Really, really nice. Very dark, but it's got a bit of sparkle in it. There we go. Just helps it look a bit more smoky, doesn't it, when you put stuff on the bottom. I was going to put something on the top, but I don't think I'm going to bother now. I've got to go to the gym. I'm meeting Martin after work. If I've got time. Yeah, I've got time. And we're going to go to the gym. But I feel a bit heavy makeup for the gym. There, whatever, doesn't matter. I have to just scrub it all off before I frighten people. Right, now, stuff I'm using. Shall I put something on the top? No, that's that decided. I'm going to use this. It's YSL, I can't even see. Tint and Oil 62 LD 100. Doesn't say a name or anything. But it's a little heart, look, isn't that cute? It looks pink, but it's not. It's like a peachy colour. I think, if it hasn't dried up already. Yeah, there we go. It's not windy today, and that's why I'm putting this on. I hate wearing lip gloss in the wind with my hair down. It's horrible. You'll know exactly what I mean if you've had lip gloss on in that situation. You get really angry because your hair sticks across your face. And then it moves half the makeup across your face when you're trying to peel it away. It's not good. But there we go. Now I need some mascara. And thank God I brought it because I thought I'd forgotten it. There we go. I'm not going to put any liner on the top lashes, although I should. I should have put the, I use lash curlers usually, but I haven't brought them to the table, so I won't be using them. But I think what I'm going to do is put one coat on, for me, muck about, do what I'm doing, and then I'll put the lash curlers on and then put another coat on, just to really amp them up a bit, I think. And then the next couple of videos, it's going to be all about makeup products. No look. Because the next look is probably going to be a looky dip. But I'll just be using this mascara. I hope you don't mind. It's the only one I've got. I love it. And I've just chucked a load out and I don't have any more. There we go. I've just had an apple and shared it with Cagney. She loves apple. As soon as I start cutting one, she comes down and bugs and stamps her feet. I've never known anything like it. So I have to share it with her or she'll go in a mood. There we go. not massively my cup of tea, but I need to ease my way back into it all. And so it's all right. It's a smoky look. Zoom these back out. There we go. At least I've got a bit more eyebrow on this side now. Right, I'm all done. Next video is going to be about makeup products, stuff I've found, and lucky dips. If you've got any other ideas, let us know, and I'll see what I can do. I'll see you in a bit. Zoom, zoom.